Hello, welcome to the PanCan Spark Health Data Platform. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to request and gain access to the Spark platform. First, navigate to the Spark webpage at www.pancan.org/spark. Click on the Request Access button, and you will be directed to a Health Data Sharing Agreement and Access Process document. The first page of the document is a diagram that details the steps meant to enable you to successfully gain access to the Spark platform. Steps 1 and 2 we have already completed. That's accessing the website and clicking on the Request Access button to access the current page you're reading. Step 3 is to complete the form and email it back to the Spark data team at spark@pancan.org. Once the team has reviewed your form, you will receive 2 email messages. One is a welcome email from PanCan, and the second is an automated email inviting you to complete your account. After that, you have one final step, and that's to email support@sevenbridges.com to request access to the PanCan Know Your Tumor dataset. And here we've provided a sample email that you can use to send to support@sevenbridges.com. The Health Data Sharing Agreement requires some general information from the requester. First, the date of request, the name of the requester, their title, and the organization. We require information about the data source, the description of the data elements that are being requested, and an estimated number of patient records that are being requested. We require some information about the intended use of the data. What are the primary objectives? So a brief description of the study, a brief description of the study design or the methods that are planned, brief description of the potential benefits to the pancreatic cancer research community or to pancreatic cancer patients. We require a brief description of the intended dissemination plan for any of the data or the analyses or the results that are garnered from the study. And then we require a biosketch of the requester or the requesters. After you have filled information to the best of your ability, please scroll down and read the terms of agreement carefully. Once you've read the terms of agreement, please type your name, title, and date. And by typing your name in the signature line, you're indicating agreement to the terms of agreement as set forth. Once the form is completed, please save it and email it to the Spark data team at pancan.org. Once the form is emailed to the PanCan Spark data team, we'll review the form. We'll contact you if we need any more information. But generally, once we have reviewed the form and you have been granted access to the platform, you'll receive 2 email messages from us. One is the PanCan Spark welcome, and it looks something like this. It's generally relaying the next steps to complete your Spark access, and will include some helpful information regarding the platform and the data sets that are currently within the platform. Currently, the Know Your Tumor dataset is in the Spark platform, and the email will include information about how to do and build queries in the platform and information about how to access instructional videos. The second email is inviting you to create an account. You will click on the Create Account button, and you'll be directed to a page that looks something like this, where you'll fill in your name, first and last name, and you create a user ID and a password, and you'll click Register. Once you've completed all that, the next step is the final step, which is, again, just as a reminder, emailing support@sevenbridges.com to request access to the data set. So in this case, it's the Know Your Tumor data set, and you would email 7Bridges an email that looks something like this. Simply to support@sevenbridges.com, an email that says, please provide me access to the PanCan Know Your Tumor data set. And with that, you will have access to both the Spark platform as well as the data set. Thank you.